meat. Look at this prime piece of pepper. A lot of salt. Free pepper.
Oh, it's windy.
And rub it all in.
Ooh, it's windy.
And switch. I need salt. Extra salt. Then flip it over. Extra salt. Give me the salt. Bro, we need to do it at the same time, John. This isn't satisfying.
Oh, dang.
Alright, now flip it over. You're welcome. Oh, peppers? You're gonna have some peppery salt. I'm gonna have some salty salt. Wait, Charlie. Okay. Alright, this looks good. Now we eat. No! 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 Oh, that's good. Oh!
Let me eat it. You're gonna eat it all.
I like this. It's so good.
Okay, let's see Charlie's steak. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna taste because Charlie's the newbie. Oh, look at that. So that actually looks pretty good.
Try his stinky steak.
I'm actually a little scared, to be honest. Oh, that feels pretty good. Yes!
No!
Let's go! What's the review?
I'd give it a 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. A little too salty, but you know.